Hey, welcome back. It's still Daniel Anthony, and in today's video, I want to quickly share with you how I made my first crypto money. When it comes to airdrop crypto mining, most people see it as a complete scam and a total waste of time. But the sincere update I want to share with you today in this video is that I made my first cryptocurrency money from airdrop. It all started 2 years ago when a boss of mine introduced me into crypto mining. I didn't really know how it worked, but I've been looking forward to joining the crypto ecosystem. But then I didn't have much money to invest, and I didn't really have the knowledge of how this thing work, or of how this airdrop mining work. So I joined Pi Network, and then I joined B Network, I joined CPEN Network, and some other crypto mining projects. Although these were long-term projects and they didn't list on time, so even all of the coins we were mining had no financial value because they haven't still gotten to the tokenomics stage. Like they haven't generated their token yet. So we are just mining on their cryptocurrency mining app. If you know of Pi, you know of B, you know of CPEN, and so many other crypto airdrop farming projects out there. So we started then. I took it serious. At some point I faded them. 2 years down the line, I didn't really make any money from airdrop mining. That was because I didn't really know how it works, and I didn't really know how to go about it. I didn't even have much idea about crypto. Not until Telegram decided to get involved in crypto airdrop farming, initiating different airdrop mining projects, or initiating different crypto airdrop mining projects like the Dog project, the Notcoin project, the YesCoin project, the Hamster airdrop project, the Memphis airdrop project. All of these airdrop projects, I participated in most of them. Although it's not as if I'm trying to tell you to put all of your hope in airdrop mining as someone who wants to join the crypto ecosystem or as a crypto enthusiast. You can equally take advantage of other strategies like bringing in your own money to invest or to master how the crypto ecosystem works, or to trade, or to learn how to trade. You need you need some coin. You need to purchase some crypto coin, and you need money to purchase this crypto coin. So you can equally implement other strategies to help you start your crypto journey. When Telegram decided to be a part of airdrop mining, they tested it with Notcoin. And then a friend of mine will always come around. I do see him doing some tapping on his phone. That was the era of this tap to end game and all of those airdrop mining on Telegram. I asked him, what are you doing? He said it's a crypto airdrop mining project going on Telegram. It's Notcoin. That the project is officially owned by Telegram and some other big companies like Tether and the Ton blockchain. So these were the three companies that came together to initiate the whole of the Notcoin airdrop farming project idea. They were the brain behind it, let me use that word. So he was kind of telling me join, and then I didn't even like Telegram. I don't make use of Telegram. I told him I don't like Telegram. How can I join Telegram and start tapping on my screen? Don't you think that's a total waste of time? Do you think they'll really pay you? Then it all started like a joke. After 2 weeks they ended the mining section, and then they moved on to the phase of burning of the tokens and distributing the token to their exchanges, and it now went to the stage of listing. Then as when Notcoin listed I think about how many, it's not 0.002 Abi, I was 7 Abi, I mean they listed around 0.02 or 0.07, I can't still remember the figure. So they did very well. Notcoin paid out hundreds of thousands of naira to users that participated. They paid very well, they rewarded awesomely, and the miracle with Notcoin was what drew so many people, or so many internet users, or so many crypto enthusiasts into engaging with airdrop farming projects or airdrop mining projects on Telegram. Although this equally gave room for so many fake projects, so many projects that are just there to waste their community members' time, and at the end of the day they will go into rug pull. The investors will equally walk away with the money they've made from the entire crypto mining project. The fact that so many fake projects were out there, these fake projects were wasting people's time, and it will make them now to think that the whole airdrop mining thing is a total waste of time and a scam. Of a truth, there are projects that waste your time. There are fake projects out there That's why you need to rely on reading white papers, making your detailed research on any airdrop project you want to join, checking out their community membership and how strong is their network. You just need to run a total background check on any airdrop project you are joining. But in most cases, it still doesn't really make a difference. They might, promise you heaven and earth, and at the end of the day, it will be a total mess. So that's for crypto airdrop farming. It's not as if you get completely rich through it, no, but it can help you join the crypto ecosystem. Then from there you can pick up momentum, because what you need first is momentum. You need something to pull you and trigger you into joining the ecosystem, and to start seeing reasons as to why you need to keep pressing forward and looking forward to making bigger profits in the crypto ecosystem. Recently this year, around February, Pi Network, I don't know if you have heard of Pi Network, it listed on Bitget. This is an airdrop mining project that you can even do with your mobile phone, and now it have turned money for users that started engaging with them from the onset. I joined them 2 years ago, and now they are trading on Bitget. You can sell your Pi coin on Bitget, but there is little miss up somewhere. Most users can't access their coin as it stands, but I believe with time that issue will be resolved. Some of the airdrop that paid me were the dog airdrop. The dog airdrop paid me, and the hamster airdrop equally paid me. I didn't really engage much in some of these Telegram airdrop projects, although I'm equally waiting for some that I have labored on to yield me profit, but at some point you won't really make much from it, but it will serve as a head start for you. So don't take it for a joke. You can check it out because it's equally a part of the crypto game, airdrop mining. I started my journey in the crypto ecosystem from airdrop mining, so you can equally take advantage of my method and get started as well. You don't have to wait until you have all the hundreds of dollars before you can join. Some crypto projects can really put a smile on your face. So my name is Daniel Anthony, guys. This is where we talk about crypto and content related business, how to establish social presence, and how to do lots of internet related stuffs like building up your digital skill, even down to video editing and so many other skills out there like graphic designs. So in case you're interested, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact line will probably be displaying on the screen. I think this I will just have to call it a wrap, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy and become boring. It's just for you to know that I started my crypto journey through airdrop mining. Okay, and airdrop mining is still ongoing. It has been existing for the past 2 decades, just that you are not aware of it. So you can still take advantage of it. To know more about some legit airdrop projects that is currently ongoing, drop your comments in the comment section below, telling me that you need some of them. Then I'll share with you so that you can join and start participating. That's for that. But for now, I just have to say bye bye. I love you all and peace.